Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic hardware. Charge the Mini for at least 30 minutes and make sure battery is above 20%. Next, power it off fully, wait 10 seconds, then power on to clear transient faults. Once done, plug in a known good micro USB or USB-C cable so you can update firmware or force a hard reset if needed. This fast sequence clears common glitches and lets you verify whether the issue is power-related or something deeper. You perform the factory reset next, which clears pairing errors and corrupted settings. On most Mini models, press and hold power plus Bluetooth or connect for about 10 seconds until lights indicate reset. After that, remove the Mini from your phone's Bluetooth list, then repair from scratch so profiles rebuild correctly. Make sure your phone OS and any Bose app are up to date. Once paired, test using 2 audio sources to isolate whether the issue is speaker firmware or the source device. You finish by confirming hardware. Connect a wired 3.5mm cable to check if audio plays directly. This tells you whether the speaker amp and drivers are okay. Once done, put your phone in airplane mode and enable Bluetooth only to eliminate Wi-Fi or notifications interference, then retry playback. If you still have no sound, persistent distortion, or the unit won't power, contact Bose support. One key troubleshooting tip: log exact light patterns and behavior, as that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.